his sisters on the bus? Yeah, you did by now, right? And she has a name, it's Shayna. And then little Bomani is here. Little Bomani is chief of staff. Little Bomani has been to Ghana. Come, I want you to talk. It's your time to shine. Little Bomani was with us. I was with them in Ghana. Bomani's mom. Bomani was 3. He's 5 going on 6 now, right?
I'm 6.
He's 6 going on 7. Okay, so you can say whatever you want to say. It works. You know how to work it.
Hi, my name is Bomani, and I'm in 1st grade. I'm in 1st grade.
Tell everybody what you like to do. Look up the clock.
Whatever you want.
You're in 1st grade.
Architect.
An architect.
Good job.
Architect is good. You want to build houses, hotels, buildings, and things like that?
Yes.
So I understand that you work with computers too, with like your dad in IT. Did you bring your computer?
No.
No?
But I have a tablet.
Oh, you have a tablet today?
Yeah.
Tell us about what you like to do on the tablet and your favorite tablet.
I also have a pencil
Tell
with
me
my
about-
tablet.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
I didn't bring it though.
It's all right. It's okay though. So what did you bring? What do you want to do on this trip that you didn't do when you were 3 because you weren't big enough?
Go at the beach and swim.
Go on the beach on a boat? We can do that.
Yeah, the boats that you buy at the store.
Oh, the little boats that you put in the water? Like
Yeah, the one you buy at the store.
Okay, got it. So you got your auntie with you?
Yes.
And do you want to tell us her name?
Shayna.
Auntie Shayna?
Yes.
Good. You having fun yet?
Yes.
I know, it's the best one ever, isn't it?
Yes.
Okay. So your daddy is a great man. You know that, right?
Yes.
And he reminds me of the Honorable Marcus Mosiah Garvey. You know who he is?
No.
No. I'll get you a good book. You can read it. So you go to school now? What's the name of your school?
Kid primary.
Yeah, that's good. That's what's up. You like it?
Yes.
Very good. I'm very proud of you, Bomani. You're very great. Keep up the good work. Let's give Bomani a round of applause. Any questions for him? You can sing us a song if you like. Yeah, you want to sing us a song?
No.
So you want to introduce your auntie?
Yes.
Quality. Come on up. Give him another hand for the other natural born leader. Good job, sweetie. Sorry.
I did that.
Hi everybody, my name is Shayna. Hi Shayna. I'm from New York, Brooklyn, New York. I'm 24 years old. I recently graduated from Delaware State University with my master's. I recently graduated from Delaware State University with my master's degree in math. This is my first journey to Africa and I'm excited. So far I met some awesome people and I'm excited to see what's next. What else we got to go? Yeah. I am shouting like speaking, even though I know accent. And yeah, I'm excited to see what we got next and what we got left to do on the trip. And yeah.
Excellent, appreciate your energy.
Wow, now look.